Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about deep learning based fine-grained hierarchical learning approach for robust malware classification. Abstract Internet of Things has emerged a cutting-edge technology that is changing the human life. The rapid and widespread application of IoT, however, make a cyberspace vulnerable, especially to IoT-based attacks in which IoT devices are used to launch the attack on cyber-physical systems. IoT Anomoly detection system based on the analysis of IoT networks. The acceptance of IoT Internet of Things for both household and industrial application is accomplished by the rapid growth of IoT malware. To evaluate the performance using machine learning and deep learning algorithm, our proposed method we develop Adaboost classifier to detect the IoT malware and estimating the performance in the terms of accuracy. This is our project flow diagram. Our process is going to start with the data selection and loading. We are going to select our data set based upon the IoT malware detection, and then second module is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means cleaning the data set. Here we are going to check the null values and we are going to do label encoding, that is categorical value is converted into the numerical value. And then data splitting, we are going to split our data into training part and testing part. Training part is for training our model, testing part is for prediction purpose. And then we are going to do feature extraction. Here we have used PCA method, that is principal component analysis. And then classification, here we have used three algorithms, two machine learning and one deep learning: random forest, Adaboost classifier and deep neural network. And then prediction, for the given random input we are going to predict whether it is affected or not. And then result generation, in result generation we are going to check the accuracy, classification report and the confusion matrix. Now we are going to see our project output. We have 6 modules in our process. The first module is a data selection and loading. Here we are going to select our data set based upon the malware detection, and then we are going to read the data by using the pandas library. After that we are going to view the sample input data, and then we are going to check the information of our data by using the function called describe, where we can find the count of our data, minimum value and maximum values of our data. And then second module is a data pre-processing, and data pre-processing is a cleaning of our data set. First we are going to check whether any null value is present in our data set, and then we are going to do label encoding. Label encoding means converting the categorical value into the numerical value by using the pre-processing library. And then data splitting, here we have used the library called train test split to split our data into training part and testing part. Training part is to train our algorithm, testing part is for prediction purpose. And then we are going to do the feature extraction method. Here we have used the principal component analysis method, which is an unsupervised learning algorithm that is used for dimensionality reduction in machine learning. And then classification, here we have used two machine learning algorithm and one deep learning algorithm. First we are going to see about the random forest algorithm. Random forest algorithm is a supervised machine learning algorithm which is used for both classification and regression purpose. Random forest is a classifier that contains the number of decision tree on various subset of our given data, and takes the average to improve the predictive accuracy score of our data. And then we are going to check our algorithm performance by the confusion matrix value, which is here 4 values are there. One is a true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. After that we are going to check our accuracy, which gives the 92. And then we are going to see the classification report. Here we can see precision, recall and F1 score values. And then DNN algorithm, which is a deep neural network algorithm. It is also contain the number of hidden layers between the input and output. Here we are iterating our data set into 10 times. And then here also we are going to check the algorithm performance by seeing the confusion matrix result, classification result and our algorithm accuracy. DNN algorithm gives a 73.23 accuracy, and it is the graph which is for validation accuracy and original accuracy. And then we are going to see about Adaboost classifier. Adaboost classifier is also a machine learning technique, supervised machine learning technique, which is a boosting algorithm. Here we are going to check the confusion matrix value, that is true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative, which means the total number of correct prediction and false prediction. And then we are going to check accuracy value of Adaboost algorithm, which gives the better accuracy than a random forest and a DNN algorithm. And then this is the precision value, recall value, and FN score. Precision means total number of correct prediction, recall means correct prediction at particular instance, FN score means average between the precision and the recall. And then this is the comparison graph between three algorithms accuracy. At last we are going to do prediction by giving the random input.